everybody. In today's video, let's make a delicious hummingbird cake and decorate it beautifully with some buttercream. Now in a large bowl, I'm taking some all-purpose flour. To it, adding some cinnamon powder, some baking soda, and a little bit of salt. I'm adding some toasted walnuts. You can use any nuts. Give it all a nice mix. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Adoniya Academy, and do hit the subscribe button to get notified every time I'm on YouTube. Also add in some castor sugar and mix it all in. Now I'm using some canned pineapple and some very ripe bananas. Mash the bananas well. Crush the pineapple in a mixie. You can have chunks of pasty and also add in some brown sugar and mix these three nicely in another bowl. Add in some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil and some vanilla extract. Give it all a nice mix. And add these into your dried ingredients and mix it well. I use a large bowl. Also crack in 3 eggs one at a time and mix it into the batter. You can also substitute the egg with some thick curds. All the recipe quantities are in the description box below. Do check it out. Now once the dry ingredients are completely mixed together with the wet ingredients, I've divided this into 3 pans. These are 3 7-inch pans. You can also bake them into 2 9-inch pans and bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. After they're completely cool, let's assemble. I'm frosting them with some cream cheese frosting, the recipe of which will be in the description box below. Do check it out. Once you have your frosting nicely layered, stack the other cakes. Now make sure the cakes are completely cooled before you frost them. I also take online baking and cake decorating classes. So if you're interested in the same, do DM me on Instagram at Cafe Adoniya. Also on Facebook, you can message me there too and I'll get back to you. Now I'm frosting this with some cream cheese frosting on top. Let's do a nice crumb coat to seal in all the crumbs and refrigerate it. Once it's nice and chill, I'm covering it with some buttercream. I'll put a description of all the colors I've used in the description box below. Do check it out. If you want to know where I purchased this big bench scraper and the nozzles which I'm using, I'll put links in the description box below. Do check it out. Let this chill completely before decorating it. I'm using the Wilton 1M nozzle and just piping out some light lavender rosettes. Again, all the colors I've used will be in the description box below. Top it off with some nice magenta rosettes. Now I'm using this Russian nozzle to pipe out some beautiful little flowers. If you want a full video on how to use Russian nozzles, I'll put a link in the description box below, or do check out the eye above on the right hand corner. I'm using some leaf green buttercream and with a piping bag cut into a V shape, adding the leaves like so. If you liked this video, please do subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. Also hit the thumbs up and give us a big fat like, and also share this video with fellow baking and cake decorating enthusiasts. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.